In this video, we are going to show you how to redeem a 10% discount on your Cliproxy subscription. Now, if you want to redeem a 10% off discount on your Cliproxy when you subscribe to them for their services, all you need to do is click on the link that we have provided on the description below, and it's going to bring you to this page right here. This is their website at cliproxy.com. Now, if you want a 10% discount, you don't need to enter any code because you already clicked on the link, right? On the description we have provided below. That is very important. Once you are here, you want to look at and click on sign up, this purple button over here, like so. We will be brought to the sign up page. Now you need your email address, your password, your CAPTCHA, right? You need to, again, if you're confused, just refresh it like that. And as you can see here on the invitation code, which is optional, it's already filled up for you. You don't need to actually fill up anything because, again, if you click on the link that we have provided, it's going to be here automatically, and all you need to do is press sign up and you'll be good to go. So that's pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We will see you on the next video.